Alright, what's going on, guys? 3G Racing here, and today I'm going to be painting my wheels black again, nice metallic black. And then after that, I'm going to be taking the exhaust off my old Eclipse and getting it set up for my new Eclipse here. And then I'm going to have to take it to a shop and get it installed so I don't have to rethread all the holes and all that because this system's just as rusty as the last one. So let's get right into the video. Alright, front wheels are off. Gonna go prep them. As you guys can see, there's brake dust all over these wheels, so I'm gonna take a lot of time cleaning them off, and then we're gonna paint them a nice metallic black. Alright, y'all, so the front wheels are on. It turned out great. I really like the way they look. Time to start the backs now. I got the car jacked up, wheels, cleaned them up there, but yeah, I really like the way this looks. Alright, y'all, I got a little bit sidetracked yesterday, but wheels are done. I think they look great on the car, to be honest. Started working on the Civic over here too, replacing the master cylinder, but now to jack up this car, get the exhaust off. I have a buyer coming for it today, and yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, y'all, so I have the exhaust right here, got it all off the car. The car's back here. I'm gonna wash it before it gets sold later today, as long as everything goes through. And yeah, everyone say your final goodbyes. This car has been through a lot. Alright, guys, I got great news. So timing belt getting done tomorrow morning. I got a shop, they quoted me at just $350, so I'm gonna get it there, done there, and then should be able to race it again soon. So that's gonna be dope, and I can get you guys some more good content. So alright, y'all, scratch that. No one's coming to look at the car tonight. Something came up, so not happening. But on a side note, still getting the time belt in the morning, and I have the exhaust off of that car, so let's go see what it sounds like with no exhaust. That was weak, not as loud as I would have hoped, but fuck it, whatever. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's going to be the last day for this video then. I got some new taillights in the mail. I forget what kind they are. They were like VIP Moto or something. I have no idea, but I like the way they look, and my old Windjet taillights didn't work, so let's see how these go. Here they are, guys. A nice, it's kind of a black housing, more like a dark gray, I guess, and then it has the 3 red. I personally didn't like the yellow on the old taillights, so I like these a lot more. Alright, guys, so I already knew this ahead of time before I ordered them. These are actually taillights for 2000 to 2002 Eclipses. These are obviously 2003, so it doesn't have this last little stud here. So I'm just going to have to take that out, and they should just be plug and play after that. Alright, y'all, so I ran into a couple unexpected problems. The light bulbs on the 03 GT don't actually fit in these given slots here. So what I did was I just sanded out the like an extra 1/4 inch on each of these here for them to fit. And then also this only has 3 slots here, whereas the bulbs on the car have 4. So I had to cut one of the slots on the bulb holder off for it to fit in there, and now we're gonna go see how it works. Alright, guys, we got the first one in, and honestly it looks great. I really like the look. It took a lot of work to get that in, but honestly it looks really clean with the car. Now just to get this side in, and we'll be all set. Pretty much, as you guys can see here, it's just this tab here. I just heated up a knife and I just cut it off, and I have to sand it down still, but yeah, that's how we get it to fit in that last slot there, and there's also some sanding involved too. Alright, y'all, so I just finished putting both the taillights in. Let's go check and see what they look like. Alright guys, and here's a view of them. I love the way they look, to be honest. It's nice having the darker housings in them. I personally like the all red and not having the yellow oval there too for the turn signal. But yeah, I definitely like the way this looks a lot better than before. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And that's gonna do it then for today's video, guys. Thank you for being patient with me. I know it's been a while since my last video, but we're getting things done. I don't know if we'll be hitting the racetrack this year, but we'll definitely be there again next year. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.